Hello everyone, in this video you might sometime lost your precious data while updating the device and while you mistakenly reset the device. So in this video I'll discuss about how you can restore your Android device from Google Backup using two different methods. So if you liked the video then make sure to subscribe to the channel. In first method, if you have taken your normal Google backup, then after resetting the device you find an option backup data from old device. During the process, hit that option and here you have to log in using your old email. And after logging in into the device you'll find all the data. Choose the data and hit restore option and all your data is being backed up. Here in second method you have to install the DroidKit application from description link and install it in your Mac as well as in your PC and connect the mobile phone using USB cable. And after that here you have to select the data recovery from mail option and here you find three different options to back up the data. Choose the middle one option and after that you have to log in your mail and after logging in you'll find all backups and choose the data you want to restore. And after choosing hit the restore button either in your PC or in your mobile device. So that's all for the video. I hope you liked the video and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.